Counsel, did you just tell me to listen? Is that what you just said to me?
Good morning, Judge. I'm here on the grand sentencing. I'm on a quick break with my hearing now, Your Honor.
Okay, well, good morning, but this is in person, counsel. Do you have permission to appear via Zoom?
I was told each sentencing was done by Zoom, Judge. Because we zoomed in the prior hearing.
Nope. On Thursdays, the only thing that's on Zoom are PCCs.
Oh, really? That's new to me, Judge. And I truly apologize. I'm
not sure why that's new, because that's how it's been. The only sentencings that are permitted on Zoom are on Tuesdays. Okay, so how long until you're here, counsel?
Well, Judge, here's the problem. I'm literally in another trial right now. So we were on a break now. I don't know if I can leave today and come down in person.
Hold on, counsel, please. Hold on. I believe we already adjourned it because you were in trial previously, correct, counsel?
That was in a murder trial 2 weeks ago the last time, Judge, and I'm in a jury trial today. So I do apologize.
Counsel, do any of your notices indicate that you're appearing via Zoom?
Judge, my previous ones have, Judge, and I was on the record on Zoom, Judge. That's why I said it was never, even when I spoke to probation, I got an email one time saying that the sentencing was by Zoom. So I'm really not making that up, Judge. I'm really not.
Your email indicated that it was via Zoom.
I said the email that I received from the probation department.
You have an emergency motion to vacate conviction, so it's a motion hearing also. I do not do motion hearings via Zoom.
Judge, if you look in the file, Judge, that motion was denied.
Well, counsel, I denied the December 4th date, and I denied the emergency basis. I didn't deny the motion. We haven't done a motion hearing on it.
Judge, I submitted my motion. I got an email from the court saying that the judge denied your motion to vacate count 2. And
okay, counsel, counsel, I'm going to step off to double check and see what communication you've received, because I'm reading my notes right here. Emergency status not granted, set for hearing November 13th. Then November 13th, you sent in an emergency stipulation to adjourn pretrial, and you wanted it to be set for December 4th. The court denied that date and set it for a different date. The court has never denied your motion, counsel.
Judge, listen, I can email the court and show you exactly what the court emailed me.
Counsel, did you just tell me to listen? Is that what you just said to me?
I did not say
I just said I'm going to step off to see what communication you've received. But I do not appreciate being told to listen. So I'll be with you in just one moment.
Everyone please rise.
Okay, so counsel, let me just go through this procedure here. You were here for probable cause conference, and you were in person on an exam on September 4th, for an exam on September 4th. It was not held. Your client pled to a misdemeanor. Then this matter was scheduled for October 14th for sentencing, which I believe you were in person for. You adjourned it to resolve count 2, and then you were going to be submitting a motion to withdraw the plea on count 2. And the sentencing was adjourned to November 6th. November 3rd, the court received an emergency motion to vacate conviction. The court reviewed that, and the court made a note on November 3rd, emergency status not granted, set for hearing November 13th, removed sentencing from docket and adjourned to November 13th. You received an email on November 3rd. Judges reviewed and denied the emergency motion. The motion and sentencing have now been set for November 13th. So there was a miscommunication with some of the language that was sent to you. However, it also indicated that the motion and sentencing had been set for November 13th. So I denied the emergency status of your motion, but did not deny your motion, counsel. Then you had sent in a stipulated order to adjourn the pretrial. And then ultimately that was granted, but a different date. Then you were still stuck in the homicide trial, so we set it for today's date. And now here you are on Zoom for a motion hearing and a sentencing, which we are not doing via Zoom.
I understand, Your Honor, and no disrespect to you or your court judge, but Your Honor, I just got called back into this court with this trial judge.
Counsel, can you be here next Thursday, December 11th?
I will be there, Judge. With
person for your motion hearing and your sentencing.
Thank you, Judge.
And counsel, just for future reference, please do not say, "Listen, Judge." Okay. Did he just sign off? Are we for real? Did he just sign off? Sure.